severe weather across the country, stay with the Weather Channel. Now your local on the 8's.
A high wind watch is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 39 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Tonight, rain showers early, becoming steady overnight. Low 37. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Rainfall near 1/4 of an inch. And on Friday, windy with periods of rain. High 50. Winds south at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. And Friday night, partly cloudy skies with gusty winds. Low 26. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour early. The week ahead.